Are we throwing away opportunity when it comes to plastic repairs? We're going to find out next. With the influx of ADAS components and sensors, shops are reluctant to do repairs where the repair can still be done. Some of this is based on sensors and the location of radar. According to OE position statements, repairs in some areas are not feasible. But in many cases, with a little research, you'll find that there are still many opportunities to repair plastic bumpers. But there's another reason shops have reduced the number of plastic bumper repairs they do: frustration. For a shop to want to do a procedure or invest in equipment, there needs to be an incentive. Plastic repair is a process just like any other labor process. In many cases, it can almost be an art. There is time needed to do the job correctly. If a shop or technician has no incentive to take the time to do that repair, they just won't. It's also not just about time. Shops are being forced into buying more expensive equipment to keep up with OE requirements. Seeing a return on investment seems to be taking longer, which adds to everyone's frustration. There was a cost analysis involved in the repair versus replace decision. In some cases, either the cost of the part or the availability of the part makes owning this stellar equipment advantageous. If the cost does not justify the repair, we just write to replace. If there is a value and need for plastic repairs on vehicles, training on correct procedures and products can benefit a shop as well as ease frustration. Over the years, several plastic repair equipment manufacturers have stepped up to become the kings of training and lend their support. No matter which plastic repair process you use, whether it's adhesive repair or nitrogen welding, knowing all the products at your disposal and which will work best for your repair needs is a fundamental. Research all the products out there to make the repair as easy as possible. Cutting corners or skipping steps during any repair process will eventually come back to haunt you. Successful plastic repairs happen every day, but many plastic repairs fail due to not knowing or following the proper steps to repair a bumper cover. One of the biggest reasons for plastic repair failures is contamination of the bumper. One of the first procedures that must be done is removing the cover and washing it with soap and water front and back. Then you dry it, then you wipe with the recommended cleaner from the product you're using. Plastic repairs are a viable repair and will remain so into the future. Researching where and why a repair can be done or not will take a little more time, but that time can be worth it for a shop and technician. Don't be so quick to write replace. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.